Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice bucket in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be extremely easy job. It will take only a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice bucket. This ice bucket is located under the ice maker on the top drawer inside the freezer section. It stores ice cubes dropped from the ice maker. The main reason to replace the ice bucket is if it's broken or is missing. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the ice bucket, we're going to lift up this front end and slide it out. Well, before you do that, make sure it's empty. This is the old ice bucket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, to install the ice bucket, we need to fit this curve into this curve right there. And that would be very easy. Place it down. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.